Hi guys and welcome to educational live trade video for the day. So today is 14th of March and let's see how the market has opened today. So if we quickly go to pre-open market page, we can see that the market is opening 0.07% down today. Advanced stocks are 16, declines are 30 and unchanged are 4 stocks. So yes, the market does look a bit of a bearish in opening today. So let's see how the market will perform today and on what stock I can trade today. So guys, right now I'm buying ICICI Bank in the market level now around 1082 to 1083 level. So I'll just buy it now. So let's see how the stock will perform today. And if you guys can see here, the first candle actually it tried to go up and it also tried to come down as well. But at last the buyers came in and the stock has closed somewhere between 1080. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform today, and I'm guessing that the stock will be a bit of a bullish for the day. And if you see, the market had opened in a bit of a bearish way and now it's trying to take a support and go up is what my view is. So yes, 1082.60 now. So the stock is being pushed up here. So let's wait for some time and see how the stock will perform for the day. And I'm planning to keep the target up to 5 or 6 points. And also, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my unique and personal intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join us, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader, and you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can just go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from years together. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. So as of now, the stock has made a high of 1083.95. So let's wait for some time and give a little bit of time for the stock to perform on the upper side. And yes, the market is slowly gradually going up. On the previous day, that is yesterday, the market has come down almost like 1.5% down, and today the market is trying to retrace a bit. So I'm not telling that for the whole day the market will go up or for the whole day the ICICI Bank will go up, but at least to get our like 0.5% target, it should be giving that kind of momentum is what my view is. So according to my study and the strategy, that much movement is accepted here. And also, as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators. So if you join us, I'll be guiding you all these things, and also you get personal live market support as well. So guys, yes, now the stock has made a high of 1086.35. Yes, it is gradually going up. Somewhere around 1087, I'll just plan to take my exit by booking almost 5 points of a target. So it is taking a bit of a time to go up. So anyway, as the market is a bit of a range bounded today, I'll just plan to take my exit a bit earlier. Okay, so 1086.35 is a new high. So now the stock is again trading at 1085 levels. Let me just wait for some time and wait for the stock to give a push around 1086, and once it reaches 1087, I'll just plan to take my exit in the market price. So let's just wait for it. Okay, and also I'll update you where I take the exit and when I take the exit and everything. Okay. So guys, yes, the stock has gone up till almost 1087.45 and the market is bit of a range bounded now. Okay, it's not going up also, not going down also. So anyway, I just hit the target up almost like 45.0, and I took my exit as there was no much of a volume was coming in this stock. And not only in this stock, many of the stocks are not giving much of a movement as of now. So that's the reason I have taken my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of ICICI Bank. So if you guys wish to learn all this concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading and want to get live market support from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me.